What's up, guys? Jay, Liberty Ring Creations. Today, pretty exciting stuff. We're going to be doing the second part to our resin blank. So this was the resin blank we made with some book pages. And the idea today is we're going to cut this down, machine it, and see if we can read any of the words on the inside and or outside of the ring. So this should be pretty fun. I just want to take a quick second to wish everyone well in these trying times. It's been rough on everyone, but I really want to thank everyone who's been watching us, because what else are you going to do? If you're stuck at home, you're going to have to watch us. Speaking of that, anyone who's viewed us and hasn't subscribed, we ask that you please take a minute to hit the subscribe button, the like button. I know I'm asking a lot. And also that little bell, ring that bell, because that lets you know when we release videos. Moving forward, we are going to try and release a video once a week. We're going to try and stick to that schedule because it's been a lot of fun. I want to thank our producer, Matt, and our video specialist. And I've been doing the audio, which has been a blast. I've been really enjoying it. But I just want to thank everyone who's tuning in and watching our channel, man. It means the world to us. Keep it up, and we're going to keep making cool stuff. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's see if we can make this thing into a ring.
So we'll cut this into a blank first, then into the lathe to bore it out. I'll check the size a few times with my calipers here. Now we're going to straighten the outside wall and face the front of the ring. A parting tool will make the ring's band size smaller. Some sanding. This is the rough sanding. Trying to get the shape of the ring, round it out a little bit. And here's where things go south. Yep, we broke it. There was a lot of thin sheets of paper that the epoxy couldn't get in between, so made this ring interesting to work with, a little on the fragile side. Luckily, we had two bands. Run through different grits of sandpaper for the polishing of the resin, all the way up to 12,000. Now sand the inside. Same thing, start with a rough sand at about 220, 240, and continue to work my way all the way up to 12,000 grit. 4 coats here. Activator in between each coat. And then I'll continue to polish, usually starting at a higher grit, maybe 1,000 or so, and then work back up to 12,000.
Hey guys, well, so we were able to make a ring. We had a couple trials and tribulations, but there was a couple letters that are legible. Can we make out a word? No. But it came out pretty cool. This was fun to work with. It was fun to try. This one I made for my daughter since it was her idea to do the word ring, if you will. I guess we'll call it the word ring or the page ring, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we were able to get it into a ring shape. It's cool. You can see some letters, and we're going to take some close-up shots for you as well. There is some legible letters on the outside and a couple on the inside, so pretty cool. It was a fun project. Because there's so much paper in here, it was hard to work with, but we did it. We were able to make a ring. So there we go, guys. Until next time, don't forget, you know the deal. Subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and we really appreciate your support. Stay safe out there, everyone. We'll see you next time.